In this lecture, we are going to focus basic mathematical methods. What are the basic mathematical methods are available in this Python? With this mathematical math module, we get everything. So what we should import this module. Without this importing this module, we never perform with this method. So this mathematical module, the Python defaultly is support for different trigonometrical functions and hyperbolic function and constants and power and algorithm functions. It may be supports, and some basic mathematical functions also it may be supports. So here the trigonometric function in the sense sine, cos, tan, cosec, this type of values we can get, and hyperbolic also we can get hyperbolic values, and some constant values like a pi, exponential and none values also we get, and some of the values like a exponential exp method and logarithm like a log, and a power method is like a power, and a square root is like sqrt. This way we can perform. So how it will be works, one to one we will be notice here. Directly I'll open, this is one method, it supports for number methods, official website, this is official documentation. So here the number of methods available in this Python, but I am going to take only couple of examples. So if you are going to interest to practice these all the things, go official document and you will be get this entire text and you will be practice. So here I'll open PyCharm. So this is a PyCharm. So here I'm going to do, suppose first I want to import math module, then I'll perform print, so the math dot py. So what we get, this is a result. Without importing this module, this is an error. So I'm going to check. So here the name error, math is not defined. So what, so we should define, then we will not get this type of an error. So if same way the print a math dot exponential value, then we get, this is a exponential value we are getting, and suppose square root of the square root of sqrt like 16, I am going to take, what is the square root, 4.0, it returns the 4.0, and the logarithm values also we may get logarithm. So log of, suppose we are not providing any base value, then it returns base. We are not providing base value, then we get this one. If in case you provide the base value, then the result, this is a difference. You may provide base value and without base value, that is your choice. Suppose you want to go with the sine theta value, sine of like a 45, not 45 degrees, the sine value is 45, then you will be get 0.85 exact value. So same way, and dot sine the tan 45 we may get 1 point something. So accurate values of this. Next, so these mathematical functions may support the factorial of math dot the factorial of 5. What we get, result as 120. How we are getting 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, like this way we are going to get. So here we are going to get GCD also. GCD of integers 45 comma 48 comma 100. So what is our, we are going to get is a 1. Our GCD is 1, greatest common factor. Suppose it is 45, then the 5 is the greatest common factor, right? So we are going to get this way. Next, a seal and floor. So here mass dot the seal. So here I am going to provide 3.2 something. I am going to provide 3.2. So it returns 4 directly, even though we are passing 3.9 is also, it returns 4. And what about the floor? This is a one more method. I am passing 3.1. So just you observe, it returns error. We are not closing this method properly. Then you observe 3. So even though you are passing 3.9, it will be going treated as 3 only. It is always 3. Suppose I am going to provide 3.1 and completely even also, it will be going to 4. It generates 4. Seal is always increase the value, greater value, and floor is always less value. So there is a one power method is there. So here the power method, power of suppose 2 power 3, 2 comma 3. So already we know that 2 power 3 in the sense 8. This is a 8 decimal value. So 2 power 300. So not 300, many values. Then we get any value. What is value? So trace back the most recent calls. So here I'm going to take, this is a value. We get exponential value 2 power 30. So based on the value 2000, so we get this way exponential value we are getting. So 20,000, 2000 per 8 lakh something, 20 crores approximately, 80 crores. So here in this way we are going to practice this mathematical. So here there is a degree and radians. The many methods are available. Many methods are available in this Python. So you may practice with official document. Lot of methods are available. Every method information, every method description is available here. So if you are going to practice from this, you will be get. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.